Your lesson essential question is, how do we estimate liquid volume? So today we're going to be estimating. When we estimate, we don't find an exact answer. We make a pretty good guess based on what we know. So we'll be estimating liquid volume. We'll be talking about what liquid volume is in just a second, but you see the word liquid is there. Volume is how we measure liquids. So we've got gallons, we've got cups. So capacity, or liquid volume, is the amount a container can hold measured in liquid units. So like I said, we have gallons, we had cups, quarts. Well, we're going to be focusing on liters today. This water bottle is about 1 liter. We can estimate, based on what we know about a liter, how many liters this bucket is. Now, if I gave you the option of 2 liters or 8 liters, what would you say? Well, I know this bucket is really big compared to this water bottle, and it really wouldn't make sense that it would only fit 2 of these water bottles. So 8 liters makes more sense. And of course, that's just a guess. If I wanted to find the exact amount of liters, I would have to measure by pouring full water bottles into the bucket and counting until the bucket's full. Now take a look at this water glass. It's a lot smaller than this water bottle. Would you guess that it's 1/4 of a liter or 3 liters? Estimating 1/4 liters makes way more sense because 1/4 is smaller than 1, and we know that this water glass is smaller than this water bottle. So 3 liters just wouldn't make sense because that would mean it's 3 times the size of the bottle. Now it's your turn to go practice estimating liquid volume.